You guys, it is that time again when we review another Colourpop collection. And this collection is called the So Dimensional collection from Colourpop, and it is available only at Ulta. And these are the goodies that they sent over. They sent everything over in a little bag, super cute. And I'm gonna be showing you guys what products I use to complete this look. So if you would like to keep on watching, and if you are interested to see this collection, keep on watching and like this video in advance. The coast is clear, super pretty. It's giving me very brown neutral vibes for my girls that just like to be very neutral with a hint of color. And it is called Clear the Air. And it's also giving me more bronze vibes, more orange, burnt orange vibes. Super cute as well. This is definitely my vibe, which is the palette that I use to create this look. This is what it looks like, and it is called Clearly in Love. Clearly, it's giving me very blush, love vibe. That's what it looks like, super pretty. This is the palette that I used on my eye look today. The collection also comes with a lot of lip colors, a lot of lip glosses. I believe the collection has a total of 6 lip glosses. So again, this one is Set Free, Infinite, and Cut Loose. These are super pretty glosses. Dreams, this one right here is Epiphany, and this one right here is No Joke. And I actually used No Joke on my lips to complete the look. This is what they look like. They're super pretty, and you guys, this is actually one of my favorite collections that Colourpop has recently came out. I definitely think they did not miss the mark. The packaging is super cute. The palettes are actually compact friendly, which is very important because I feel like around summertime, a lot of people are traveling. A lot of people do not want to take a lot of things when they're traveling, so this is very travel friendly. And overall, this collection is super bomb. The palette choices, the colors, along with the lip glosses, I give this a 10 out of 10, super pretty. If you're interested in this collection at all, it is available at Ulta for you to go ahead and purchase. And if you do go ahead and purchase, let me know what you guys think about it, because I clearly love this, but I want to see what you guys think. I want to see if you guys enjoyed this, and just let me know. Let me know what you guys think about this. That was the collection. If you would love to see how I created this makeup look and are curious, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a look with the newest Colourpop collection, available only at Ulta. And I wanted to show you guys the palettes and the shades that they sent over. But first, I wanted to do my makeup. I did do my base routine off camera. I just wanted to get the video right and going. So we're gonna go and start off with our eyes. I'm gonna take my clips. I'm just gonna clip back my hair. I washed my hair this morning. I gave myself a little blowout. So we are going to be deciding what vibe I'm going for. The colors just spoke to me. This is giving me more my vibe. So this is the palette that I chose out. I'm gonna choose out my brushes really quick because I like to be very ready. I like to have everything that I need out in front of me. And if you guys are curious about any of the products that I put on my face for my base makeup, I will leave everything listed down below. Okay, so I'm back and I chose out this palette right here. I have my little SMA set up and we're just gonna get into it. I have an inspo picture. This one right here, it is from Dumb Makeup on Instagram. She posted this to her story and I screenshotted it because it's so bomb. So we're gonna try to recreate this. If you do not follow her, I will leave her Instagram in the description down below as well. Go check her out, she's amazing. With the shade Sprung, and I'm gonna take it on like a fluffy brush, a fluffy packing brush like this. This is the Makeup by Ariel brush A29. And I'm gonna take this shade Sprung. It's this one right here. It's like a mauve-y pink, frosted a little bit. And the reason why I said inspo picture was because it's not going to come out the same exact way, because I obviously did not use the same products that she did. So I'm just going to wing it and just pray. So I'm just tapping it in because it is a shimmer. And I usually don't start off with shimmers because I feel like they're not so pigmented, and if it's not the right shade, it can kind of look a little pasty. So I'm just blending out the edges up and down like this. And you can see I have glitter all over my lid. Other one. I'm gonna just do the same things. Sorry if I keep like clearing out my throat. I just got over a sickness not too long ago, so if I'm like catching my breath, it's because I have really bad lungs. So we're just going to continue to do this on this eye. To take the shade Simp For You, it's this pink one right here, and it's also a shimmer shade. It's a little darker, and I'm going to take it on this same brush. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to layer it on like this, and this one's a little bit more pigmented, as you guys can tell. It's like a more brighter pink. It's a hot pink color, and I'm packing it the same way, except that I'm not taking it up and I'm not taking it out because it is a shimmer shade, and if I try to blend that, it's not gonna go good. So I'm gonna take a clean brush now. It's a fluffy brush like this. This one I got from BH Cosmetics. It's the Studio Pro one in Studio Pro 5, I believe. I take this brush and I do circular motions to just blend it out like this. And I'm going for something very summery, very subtle. This can easily go like first date vibes or going on a picnic vibes. I think I would wear this like on a picnic, or I would wear this like for, I don't know. It's giving me baby shower vibes. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other eye. And now we're going to take this brush. It is the Studio Pro brush by BH Cosmetics. And it looks like this. It's just a little precision brush. Sorry, I cannot speak today. It's going to be very hard, I feel like, on camera. I'm going to be doing a liner, a eyeshadow liner. I love eyeshadow liner. And I'm going to be going in with the same brown shade right here. It is called Hey You. I'm just taking this this flat brush. It's from Morphe. It is the Morphe M4110 brush. It's just a flat brush. But I just flick it out like if I was doing a regular liner. And I tap off the excess because this palette does have fallout. And I just go from this corner down. And I'll be back because my daughter's movie finished, and that's the only way that I'm getting through filming this video. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I'm going to be doing my lip color, And I'm just gonna line my lips with the Italia Light Brown lip liner, and you can get this literally anywhere. I got them on Amazon for a pack of 3 for not that much. So I'm going to line my lips. Okay, so I finished lining my lips, and now we're going to be choosing a lip gloss color, lip gloss shade. And let me get those out for you guys. I honestly have not looked at the lip glosses yet. They sent over 6 lip glosses. I'm not kidding you guys. They sent over 6 lip glosses. So we're going to have a little bit of options here. They're called the So Glassy lip glosses. Do you guys hear that? That's my stomach because I did not eat dinner and I did not eat breakfast, and it's now 10:14. Okay, so this one's Infinite, this one's No Joke, and this one's Cut Loose. The Dreams, this one right here is Epiphany, and then this last one right here is Set Free. Super pretty colors. So I'm gonna be using the shade No Joke. This is very pretty pinky shade. So I'm back, and this is the lip color that I chose. What do you guys think about this lip color? I'm just going to add some mascara to my lower lash, and then the look is complete. This is the completed look, and I really, really, really like it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me see if I can zoom you in a little bit. This is what the makeup is looking like. I'm sorry, my hair is so crazy. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, let me know what you would love to see next, and just thank you so much for supporting me and for watching me. And also, if you guys do not know, I have an Instagram where I post makeup, fashion, and lifestyle content. It is Danielle Marie 2R2Es on Instagram, and also Danielle Marie 2R2Es on YouTube, and as well as TikTok. So go ahead and follow me on all socials if you would like, and I'll see you guys next time.